Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Recently, I found some Polish sausage at the supermarket. I decided I'm going to give it a try because my son loves Polish sausage. Since this is pre-cooked, so I can easily incorporate it into any stir-fry dishes. So I'm going to cut it up and then I'm going to chop it up into small pieces, which actually I will use it in two different dishes. The first dish I'm going to use is a fuyang egg dish. Since the Polish sausage is cooked, it's going to be very quick. I'm going to start out by fry the sausage first to give it a nice crispy texture. And then I'm going to add some egg to it. This is going to be a typical fuyang egg dish. And finally, I'm going to garnish it with scallions. I never had this dish before, but the first time when I had this sausage at a friend's house, I really liked it, and I decided it probably would go well with a fuyang egg dish. And one aspect of my fast cooking system is flavor chasing. I always look for new combinations of different food ingredients. After tasting the flavor of this sausage, I decided to make this dish because I know my son will really like it. He loves Polish sausage. Stir-fry the Polish sausage first will give it a nice flavor. This is a good example of template-based cooking. I'm essentially modifying the basic fuyang egg template by adding this Polish sausage. Now, cooking is always involved for other people as well, because when you cook, you also want to cook food that people who you're going to cook for is going to enjoy. And I know with this flavor combination, my son is going to love this fuyang egg dish. When I have this sausage at my friend's house, he actually put it on the grill. So it gives it a nice grill flavor. So I decided by frying it like this, I will also provide a similar flavor to the sausage. Now I think I'm almost ready to add the eggs. Since I'm going to make this a relatively large dish, I'm going to add 6 eggs. These eggs were special to me because it was given to me by a friend of mine. In fact, his grandson recently started raising chickens, and this is the egg laid by his chickens. One thing you probably noticed that the egg has a very, very bright yellow color. And now recently, one of the viewers wrote me that he told me that when he makes the fuyang egg, the eggs stick to the bottom of his stainless steel wok. As you can see in here, my egg do not stick to the bottom of the wok at all. The reason is that the wok is well seasoned. I use a method that I call it spot seasoning, and you can take a look at this video to get more detail on how you make your wok to have that non-stick property. The last step is to add the scallion. As you can see, the egg is almost 80% done. This is when I add the scallion because I do not want to cook the scallion too much. This dish is one of the fastest dishes to cook, and the reason is how the eggs were cooked. The way how to cook the egg is a combination between cooking scrambled eggs and an egg omelette. By gently folding the egg over and over again, you create a texture almost like an egg omelette, but at the same time, by folding it repeatedly, you also start to scramble the egg as well. Depending on how much you fold the egg, you're actually able to control the texture of the egg. As you notice that I did not season the egg during the cooking process, but I add salt and pepper before I beat up the eggs. However, I only add a small amount of salt because the Polish sausage will provide nice flavor to the egg. Furthermore, I have an aversion to salt because I'm afraid that too much salt will increase my blood pressure unintentionally. I think this is the wonderful thing about home cooking because you can control exactly what you're going to put into your food. So what is the verdict? My son loved this dish as I expected because he really enjoyed the flavor of the sausage with the eggs. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.